Hello friends, Namaskar, good morning. Today we are going to start new topic of grammar, and topic's name is voice. As we all know, voice is nothing but the form of the verb. Voice is the form of the verb which indicates whether a person or a thing does something or something has been done to a person or a thing. There are two kinds or types of voice, namely, number one, active voice. When a verb form shows that the subject has done something, it is known as active voice. When a verb form shows that the subject has done something, it is known as active voice. Second, passive voice. When a verb form shows that something has done to the subject, it is called as passive voice. In Marathi, active voice means kartari proyog, where the subject is important. That means subject has doing something. And passive voice means where the object is important. That means in Marathi it is called as karmani proyog. In active voice, subject is important, and in passive voice, object is important. Active voice means kartari proyog, passive voice means karmani proyog. Okay, now we turn to next. Voice, active voice form. First of all, when we want to say that the subject of a sentence is doing the action, we use the verb of that sentence in its active form. When we want to say that the subject of a sentence is doing the action, we use the verb of that sentence in its active form. Example, a man is cutting down a tree. A man, this is subject, doing the action of cutting. That's why the sentence is in active voice form. Second, sentence number 2, the hunter killed the lion. In this sentence, the hunter, this is subjective part, that means subject, and subject, the hunter, has doing the action of killing. So the sentence is in the active voice form. Number 3, Gopal post the letter. In this line or in this sentence, Gopal, this is subject part, post the letter. That means here posting action is there. Gopal, subject, is doing something, and when subject is doing something, it is called as active voice. She was cooking a nice meal. Here, she, this is subjective part, subject part, and what she was doing, she was cooking a meal, a nice meal. This part is objective part. This part is objective part. The hunter killed the lion objective part. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. They celebrate Diwali festival. They, this is subjective part, subject. They celebrate Diwali festival. Celebrate, this is verb. And what they celebrate, we will get the answer Diwali festival. That means this is object. Here also they are doing certain something, that means certain action is there, action of celebration is there. So all these sentences are in active voice. In active voice, generally subject part is important and subject has doing certain action. That is why it is called as active voice. Active means where the subject is important, subject is performing certain kind of action, it is called as active voice. Okay, now we turn to next. Active voice form. When we want to say that the subject of a sentence is doing the action, we use the verb of that sentence in its active form. Example, a man is cutting down a tree. A man, subject, doing the action cutting of tree. Okay, now passive voice form. When we want to say that the subject of a sentence is not doing anything but is allowing something to be done to it by somebody else, we use the passive voice form. When we want to say that the subject of a sentence is not doing anything but is always something to be done to it by somebody else, we use the passive voice form. Example, Now same sentence we convert into passive voice. A man is cutting down a tree. Now same sentence here. A tree is being cut down by a man. That means here object part comes first. That means karmani prayog. Object is important. A tree is being cut down by a man. A tree is subject, not doing anything but allowing a man to cut it. So it is passive form. Now we turn to next. Active passive voice, example number 1. The boy is carrying the girl, active voice. Here the boy subject is carrying verb, the girl object of the verb, active voice. Who is doing the action of carrying? The boy, subject of the sentence. Who is doing the action of carrying? The boy, subject of the sentence. The girl is being carried by the boy, passive voice. Here the girl subject is being carried by verb by preposition, the boy object of the preposition, by who is doing the action of carrying. Not the girl the subject but the boy the object. Okay, now turn to next. John reads a book every day, active voice sentence. John the subject of the active sentence. A book is read every day by John, passive voice structure, by John, object of the preposition by. The subject of the active sentence becomes the object of the preposition in the passive sentence. John, a book is read every day by John. John reads a book every day, active voice, reads verb of the active sentence. A book is read every day by John, passive voice. The active form of the verb in active sentence is changed into the passive form in passive sentence. Reads become is read. Active passive voice change number 3. John reads a book every day, active voice. A book object of the verb. A book is read every day by John, passive voice. The object of the verb in the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. Active passive voice, note number 1. He cooks food, active voice. Food object of the verb, singular. Now same sentence into passive voice. Food is cooked by him, passive voice structure. Food subject of the passive sentence, that means this part, singular. So is cooked is there, is verb singular. When the subject of a sentence is singular, the verb must also be in singular. When the subject of a sentence is plural, the verb of that sentence must be plural. He carried some books. Okay, now here some books are there, active voice pattern. Some books object of the verb in active plural. Some books were carried by him, passive voice. Were carried verb, were plural, books also plural. Active voice and passive voice, note number 3. She has signed 10 letters, active voice sentence. She is subject, has a part of the verb, singular. 10 letters object of the verb in active plural. Now same sentence into passive voice. 10 letters have been signed by her. This is passive voice pattern. 10 letters subject, plural, have been signed, verb have plural. Active passive voice, tense change 1. She bakes cakes, active voice. Bakes verb. This is in simple present tense. This sentence is in simple present tense. Now cakes are baked by her, passive voice structure. Are baked verb, simple present tense, simple past tense. Here we stop and turn to next AV.